Could we be the last civilization in the universe? Imagine the universe a trillion years from now. The last stars have burned out. Galaxies have drifted so far apart that from any single world, the sky is utterly black. And in that endless darkness, one question echoes louder than any other. Was anyone else ever here? Tonight we explore a possibility more terrifying than alien invasion, more unsettling than cosmic catastrophe. What if humanity isn't the first intelligent species in the universe, but the last? What if every other civilization has already risen, flourished, and died? And what if, when we are gone, no one will ever follow? For most of human history, we assume the heavens were crowded. Ancient Sumerians carved stars into clay tablets, imagining gods on every world. Giordano Bruno was burned at the stake in 1600 for suggesting infinite suns with infinite earths. By the 20th century, science had transformed this poetry into hard probability. The Milky Way alone contains roughly 400 billion stars. The observable universe holds 2 trillion galaxies. Surely somewhere in that ocean of light, life like ours had blossomed thousands, millions, even billions of times. The math seemed unbeatable. The cosmos had to be teeming. Then in 1950, over lunch at Los Alamos National Laboratory, the physicist Enrico Fermi paused mid-conversation and asked a question that would haunt science for the next 75 years. Where is everybody? If the universe is so vast, so old, so primed for life, why had no signal, no probe, no whisper ever reached us? The galaxy is over 13 billion years old. Even at sluggish, sublight speeds, a single ambitious civilization could colonize every star system within a few million years. So where are the megastructures? Where are the radio bursts? Where are the ruins? The silence is not just empty, it is loud, deafening, wrong. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake tried to give the silence a shape. At a small meeting in Green Bank, West Virginia, he scratched an equation onto a chalkboard. It multiplied the rate of star formation by the fraction of stars with planets, by the planets capable of life, by the life that becomes intelligent, by the intelligence that builds radio technology, by the lifespan of such civilizations. Plug in optimistic numbers and the Milky Way should contain tens of thousands of talkative species. Plug in pessimistic numbers and the answer collapses to one, just one, us. The Drake equation didn't solve the paradox. It revealed how fragile our assumptions truly are. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio called Big Ear caught something. For 72 seconds, a narrow band signal screamed in from the constellation Sagittarius, 30 times louder than background noise. Astronomer Jerry Amon circled the printout and wrote a single word in red ink. Wow! It was the most promising candidate for an alien transmission in history. Then it vanished. Despite hundreds of follow-up searches across decades, the wow signal has never repeated. No source, no explanation. Just a flicker in the cosmic dark, gone before we could answer. If that was a civilization waving at us, it may have already fallen silent forever. To understand why intelligent life may be so rare, consider the staggering chain of accidents that produced you. 4.5 billion years ago, a wandering planet the size of Mars slammed into the young Earth, creating the Moon, which would stabilize our axis and gift us seasons. Jupiter, a gas giant 5 times farther out, swept away comets that would have sterilized our surface. Our Sun is unusually calm. Our position in the Milky Way avoids deadly radiation from the galactic core. Life began almost immediately, but for 3 billion years it stayed microbial. Complexity, intelligence, language, tools, writing, science, these are recent, fragile experiments. Remove any one cosmic coincidence, and you remove us. Some scientists believe we are not the first. We are simply alone because everyone else is already gone. This is the chilling logic of the Great Filter, proposed by economist Robin Hanson in 1996. Somewhere on the path from dead matter to galactic civilization, there exists a barrier so brutal that almost nothing crosses it. Maybe the filter is behind us, the leap from single cells to complex ones, which took 2 billion years. Maybe it is ahead of us: nuclear war, runaway climate collapse, artificial intelligence, engineered pandemics. If the filter waits in our future, the silence of the stars is not mysterious. It is a warning. Look at the exoplanets we have found. Over 5,000 confirmed worlds since 1992. Kepler 186f, an Earth-sized planet in its star's habitable zone. Proxima Centauri b, orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor just 4.2 light-years away. TRAPPIST-1, a single red dwarf hosting 7 rocky worlds, 3 of them potentially temperate. By all rights, these places should be screamy,